Hello. It's Kibran here from Pips Pirate, and we're back again with another video, our very first video from our new channel, our YouTube channel, Pips Pirate. So I'm gonna make the video not long, but I hope you get into it. So yeah, let's get into it then. Um, As you can see, today we're going to be doing analysis on the V75 1S because it's my favorite index, and I love it because it works. It works, and I think I told you in the book. I don't know if many have read the book, which I posted in the group. It has a strategy for boom and crash. It's a working strategy for boom and crash, and also I'm developing another strategy for the other volatility indices, which is gonna be out in 2 weeks. But it's the same strategy which I'm gonna use here to analyze, and it's pretty simple, pure price action. But before we get into that, just a minute here to talk about the broker. If you didn't know about Derive, is really not honest broker. If you didn't know about synthetic indices, what they are it's like they they're not anywhere except from Derive broker. Like but Derive broker is the one controlling everything here. You see, it says like they have like a cryptographic machine which generates numbers and everything which you see here. But yeah, that means they control it. Like with anyone with sense will know they control the market. So yeah, that you should know. They control the market, but that doesn't mean you cannot trade. It means you can trade, but they have an age, unless you know how to beat it. Like me, I do. I figured it out after losing so much money in volatility indices. I figured it out, like how I'm gonna show you here. So, just so you know, synthetic indices are controlled by Bannerly. If anyone tells you anything else, he's lying. They agree with that is cryptographic generated. But if maybe let's say an example, you're gonna go into the market, maybe you start something, and you're the one controlling the odds. Maybe you're selling something, maybe people come to you, and whatever you do, but like you're controlling the odds, and you tell people like it's a machine, and you created the machine which generates code. It's it's all up to you. You're the one who created it. You can manipulate it in any way, and it's all coding. The guy, I've explained everything in the book. I have like a word chapter on this, so go and read the book, please. Go and read the PDF. Like it's a book with a strategy, but also everything is explained in there. Everything about binary derive, everything from the beginning to the end. I covered it. Those who have read now, they know, and it has a strategy on how to overcome this. So let's go to analysis and make the video short. So here, as you can see, we're gonna use our normal strategy which I use because I start with trend analysis. That's the first thing, and as you can see here from our 4-minute chart, it was like a downtrend from here to here, but now it's an uptrend. So we cannot say like it was a downtrend. It was high, lower high, lower lows, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower lows, lower high, and then it came here to the bottom part. Gonna use that, and then let's see. It broke above the last lower high, and then it formed a lower low. Couldn't go down again, so it kind of broke the trend here. Here's where everything started to change. Oh, I was using it. Okay, wait a bit. Sorry, I was using a dark background. So yeah, here everything changed and it went up and came to test this level. It worked out. Came to test this level and went above. So we're in an uptrend, obviously an uptrend. So yeah, and the market kind of also broke this level here, another low high, which was this one. The market broke it up, it went up, and it's still going up. So it's an uptrend, an obvious uptrend. The second part is we're gonna mark our key levels. This is a simple strategy, but it works. The thing is that, yeah, binary controls everything, but doesn't control the time. Then that's why people will be losing every time. But people make profit. There are people making profits in this market, even though it's controlled or manipulated. But like it follows price action at most of the time. But some point, I know those points I will explain in future videos. But yeah, it follows price action. That's the good thing, whatever machine they're using to control. So yeah, it follows price action. And we're gonna go mark our key levels here. You can see there's this part here, key levels, and also this part here. People use like, why do you mark it so easy? I use BCW, body candle wick, anywhere where the line, this line or area, let me say area, touches the body, or candles, like bodies of candles touch, or like wicks, or there's a conjunctions of multiple candles. As you can see here, there's conjunction, and here no, and some point wicks. So I know it's a key level. I know it's a key level. As you can see here, there's wick, there's conjunction, and there's bodies here touching up the market, touching the area. So I know it's a line which the market has reacted. So key levels, you can call it easy. Kind of lost words for that one now, but it's a key level. When the price is down, it's a surprise zone. When the price is up, as you can see here, it's a demand zone. So yeah, let's get into it. And most people will be like, why can I use the other lines here, like, to know how the market hacks here? We cannot say it's simple. Just use what's happening right now in the current market, what you see here in the chart, because this is volatility. It's not like currency. So whatever you see, you must use, like, I think maybe what's happening right now. I think not maybe, but yeah, you must use what's happening right now on the market to analyze. So we're gonna use this here. This place is gonna be our target. It's an uptrend, so we're gonna go with buys. Why I'm going with buys? Because first of all, I don't trust binary. This looks like a sell for some people, but it was a buy, but it went to this area, and people say like it didn't touch the line. No, it's an area. Remember, it's an area. The line is just a mark in the line, but it's an area, especially with binary, because this market moves. Everyone knows the market moves, so it's an area that you know. So yeah, and then as you can see, kind of broke this level, wants to break this level, but it didn't quite break it. I'm gonna remove the line now, just so you know. I'm gonna use the boxes. It's easier. And as you can see, the market is reacting to this area. So right now it's a demand zone. People like trying to, not people actually, like how, because it's synthetic, there's no like anyone like volume in this market, any actual volume of money. It's just binary derived, playing with numbers, and people buying and selling, but we don't move the market or anything. So even if you have like 2 billion, 1 billion in the synthetic indices, you cannot move the market for anything, even in the normal one. But like, you cannot control it with the amount of money you have. So we kind of just have to go with it. Sad, I know, yeah, but as you can see, the price is kind of okay. Let's see, the third step is quite easy because we're dealing with this level right now. The market is kind of trying to, it's an uptrend, and the market is dragged into this key level here. It's trying to break it, but it didn't break it. And since it's an uptrend, we're looking for buys. We're gonna go for buys. I'm looking for it to react. I'm looking for a bullish candle, a bullish momentum candle, like Let me show you how the market reacted to this level down here. See, when the market came here, when the market came here, there was like a depletion of momentum. Like the candle kept getting smaller and smaller, and there's an indecision candle, and then boom, momentum candle, bullish, strong bullish candle. Someone could buy here and hold the market and a stop loss of somewhere here. That was a profit, you know. Gonna make a lot of money. And now here we are also looking for that. So some people will buy here thinking like, ah, you know what, it's gonna go up, and that's how binary manipulates, because sees a lot of people buying here. Ah, he says, what, you know what, I'm just gonna go down. So wait for confirmation. Wait for confirmation. That's one of the things you should do with binary. Just don't rush in. Wait for confirmation here. When there's a bullish momentum candle, since we're basing on buying, I'm not going for selling unless it breaks this level here, this higher low. It breaks this higher low, and then I will look for sales. But I won't look for sales right now. Even if it breaks here, we just look for buys here. If it breaks this level, I will sell, but to somewhere here, and then I will look for buys. Maybe if it goes up, it was testing this level or something. So just so you know, this is an entry I gave you, an entry. You can see there's depletion in the market. The market is losing momentum. The candle keeps getting smaller and smaller and smaller. The bears are losing momentum. So I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm waiting for a strong bullish candle. Don't buy right now, and then you can go in the market. And that's all you need. And if you go in, you buy in, the stop loss is gonna be somewhere down here. That's where the stop was gonna be, somewhere down here. And yeah, somewhere here, if we get a bullish candle here, bullish momentum candle. If we, and then the stop is gonna be there, and the take profit is gonna be somewhere here. Look at this ratio. This is like 1:7. 1:7. That's good. If you sacrifice $10 here as a loss, or somewhere here maybe 20, you're gonna make 140 back. Like 140. If you sacrifice your 20 bucks here, you're gonna make 140 back. So it's a good trade. It's a really good trade. So watch out for this. This is today analysis on the V75 is one of my favorite indices. So hope you guys watch the video, and I'll be bringing these videos on daily basis, every day, doing different setups I see and everything. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and good trades and good luck.